Well, blessed people, the time now is about 10:38 a.m. East African time. And today being February 19th, the year 2026, the 19th of February 2026, blessed people. And I'm coming to you today to announce to you that the Lord Almighty, Jehovah Elohim, God the Father, Jehovah Sabaoth, the Lord Jehovah Rohi, our shepherd, Jehovah Elyon, the Most High God. He has spoken with me this past night, blessed people, and that's why I am coming to you now. The Lord has spoken to me and with me about events that bring the culmination of the end of human history. And he has spoken, blessed people, about the events that mark the coming of the Messiah, the end of human history on this earth. And in this conversation, blessed people, the Lord Almighty at night, he commanded me to come to announce to the nations that there is a planetary event about to take place on this universe. A planetary event, a very serious and dreadful planetary event is about to take place in the space above the skies here, above the earth. And this happened in the direction that is facing, when I was standing, it was facing towards, from where we are here, maybe facing towards Mombasa, that direction. But in the skies above the earth here, there is a serious planetary event that is about to take place to mark the glorious coming of the Messiah and the end of human history. There is a planet. At one point, I thought it was the moon. Then God the Father was speaking by voice. But when I saw the way it had light, the way its glow was not well-rounded, smooth-rounded with smooth margins like the moon, the glow of his light, was more round. The edges of that planet are spread out. They are spread out, so the light from that planet spreads out, meaning the edges are not smooth. They spread a little bit to the sides. And around that planet, there is going to be orangish color. Is going to appear orangish, as though some clouds or some pieces are going to be orangish around it. They are going to turn orangish. And in that planetary event, there is a planet I see. It is not as smooth round as the moon. Maybe it is clouds that covered and spread the light, but it did not. It did not look like the moon because its edges are not smooth. A little bit spread out a bit, amorphous, in other words. Then the Lord said, look, the orangish color you prophesied is about to appear when the climax is near. Planets or their clouds around it, small ones around it, they become orangish. And he said, look, the orangish color around it is about to appear. And all of a sudden, the orangish color appeared. The orangish color of those fragments, they intensified. They became intensive like this, and boom, and the planet will fall from the sky. That planet will fall from the sky as people are watching. So maybe there is a collision because those small orangish particles around it intensify the orange color, and then it falls from the sky. It falls from the sky. Very serious. Up here, a planetary event is about to take place, and it looks to me more because this planet, I am seeing it from this side, and then all of a sudden, the intensity of the light of the orangish flames appear, meaning It looks more like a collision from the other side. Another planet collides with it. It's going to fall off the sky. It will terrify people. It will fall off the sky. Again, I want to announce here, there will be a collision up above the earth here. And the flames emitted will be orangish in color. It looks like I am looking at a planet, and that planet, whether it's neutron stars, whether it's a star or it's a planet, but the light is orangish, light orangish. And then from the other side that I can't see, another planet will come and collide with it from the other side I don't see. And as that planet comes to collide, the orangish flames will be more intensified, and then the collision takes place, and the planet, that whether it's a star or a planet, it will collapse, it will fall off the sky. But the particles that are orangish will remain in the sky, will remain up in the sky. There is a collision about to take place, and when the other planet from the other side I can't see, the Earth will be able to see it so that they don't see the other approaching planet. And then that planet will approach this one. Maybe it's a star. Another star will approach from that side, approaching this star. And there will be a collision, but the flames are orangish in color. They will intensify. And then one of them, the one we are seeing from this side, will collapse, will fall off the sky. And the particles that are orangish will remain in the sky. And the flames will be orange, and the particles will remain there. One will fall off the sky. This is very serious. Again, the Lord Almighty, He has spoken about a planetary event about to take place in the skies above the earth here. It will scare the earth. It will terrorize the people of the earth. There is a collision that's about to take place in the skies above the earth here, blessed people. And in that tremendous collision, the particles, orange particles, will spread around that collision. The light will glow. There will be a glow of light when the collision takes place, an orange light. And the planet that is colliding with another, whether it's a star colliding with the other, comes from where we can see the other side. And then when the collision takes place, everything will glow orange. And then one of them, the one we are watching, whether it's a star, a neutron star, or a planet, it looks more like a planet, but it will collapse from the sky, fall off the sky, and then the particles, the orange particles, remain up there. Very, very serious, blessed people. Prepare, the Messiah is coming. Thank you.